Ebi bigambirwa Abarambuzi aberundanira hirindiro ry'enyamishwa rya Ekyendeze National Park muri district ya Kasese kuhendera okuramburira busha bari kugira ngo umubare gw'enduga mahanga abari kurambura mu ihanga n'ugukira abanya-Uganda abari kurambura abantu bagira ngo ikintu kiretwa sente zibari kujaguna nyingi ahantasya yo munya-Uganda
omugisha guri tukozeseze bagwo kubebire bintu Ahasente nikaba kali kaingi nikubatakasobora so government bakutera nkabinwe biro no muntu wa hansi neja na Ekyendeze munsi ya neja na rwele by'Abarambuzi ebiri mu Uganda so government tugisima then tuanga ntugamba ebisale bakoleki babisala nukwobwira obundi
Ntari bara Morris Kasese nagira ngo nikimutangaza kushanga abantu abaheru ya Kasese bari kutayira ku Ekyendeze National Park kukira aba Kasese ngo ababo niba batari kumanya nebiri kufa umupaka
Musayifu nyo ngo bochulira kubanga balero nsobodde kujja wane manyi ga government niebaza ate nga sinye nnyo ne ate okusima oku nefunamu okulumizibwa mu ngeri emu ndi bukonjuwa wano nzalwa ya wano nate bannange baganda bange mikwano gyange benkuze nabo nga tibali wanene
Praise Kabugo nawe kurwo muri Kasese nagira ngo abantu nibaruga heru kurambura kukira abantu aba Kasese ngo government eshomesa abantu okundi ihanga ryabo kandi Ekyendeze ahabishare byo kutahiramo umupaka
badobalenga 10 bete kika kikakangana kiti government yitu omusolo abantu banne bakase omusolo omundu kalenkana yateringiro umupaka bakemusabesha sente sinene ne abantu banene sibatasa katukase bene government iteko awareness that this day kitole kyabya kiro abantu bakingira umupaka mwabule ngekiro kye munabwire we are very few people that we learned about this
Godfrey Baryesima umureberezi w'Abarambuzi ari ku Ekyendeze National Park nagira ngo ebiro byo kuramburira busha batungire abantu abari kutangaza atyo yashaba okugumana beja kurambura obwire bwona.
I'm happy to see you embrace the open park days. You know, from 25th to 27th, Uganda Life Authority gave a guest at Ugandans to come and enjoy the beauty of the national parks, Queen Elizabeth, Lake Mburo, Machon Falls, Pianupe, and Kidepo. And yesterday we had a very wonderful turn-up of over 940 visitors. And today, rather actually yesterday, but there were 940. Then yesterday day which followed, we had 1,500 visitors. And today, I can assure you that the number has surpassed that of yesterday. I really thank Ugandans for accepting to visit this park during the open park days. And I say that you should continue.
Nyamwebazyo ribereri izuba iryo Burambuzi umunsi yona ahansi y'umutwe ogwa tourism and sustainable transformation makuraga gasha kwa Robert Mugabe.